I'm going to Thunder Beach in Panama City this morning. It's 130 miles. It's going to be about 2 hours and 20 minutes. So here I am at the Thunder Beach Rally at Frank Brown Park on Panama City Beach. Probably the primary place, vendor site for this rally. There are some other locations where there's some things going on, but here we are. We're going to check it out. Finally made it to a restaurant. Now I can relax and look around a little bit. Thunder Beach is just like all the other bike rallies. It's got its concerts, its parties, things like that. That's not why I'm here. I'm here just to check out the vendors and see what's going on with them. Let's go. Chromeworks tent. I would really like some Chromeworks pipe. I'd love to have these pipes right here. But I'm not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. I could spend literally tens of thousands of dollars at this rally. Just past the air suspension place. I thought I was shooting a video of it, but I wasn't. And we'll still have my stock suspension. And it's a rough ride, especially for Felicia.
Say that you likely have heard that we've got contest to give away a trip for two for Las Vegas.
They'll give you the Bible scripture where to get the answer.
All right.
So if they have a question on hell, death, it'll give you where to go.
That's a second Christian witnessing booth that I've been by today. I've given both of them one of my cards. Wide open customs, soft tail fairing, Road King fairing. Oh, let's roll. Maybe another time. And here's AMSOIL. AMSOIL. I follow AMSOIL Adam on YouTube, and this is their tent. And this motorcycle runs all day long. I forgot how many thousands of hours they said this motorcycle has just running. They have love jugs here. Adam, Jeff,
okay.
it's called Preacher Moto Man.
Preacher, I think I've heard of that.
Preacher Moto Man.
Moto Man.
But, well, welcome to Panama City.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I actually from Alabama, but it's not far from here,
Yeah.
where I live.
Okay, we're about.
Yep.
Let me grab my camera. Let's do a little shout out for your channel.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, go for it.
Hey guys, my name is Jeff. I'm here talking to Adam. I'm the Preacher Moto Man, and I suggest if you haven't subscribed to AMSOIL Adam that you do it today.
Guys, go check out his channel as well.
Hey guys, my name is Jeff. I'm here talking to Adam. I'm the Preacher Moto Man, and I suggest if you haven't subscribed to AMSOIL Adam that you do it today.
Hey guys, AMSOIL Adam here, and you are watching Preacher Moto Man.
So, Adam was a nice guy. Got a shout out from him. Wild Willie fuel fragrance. I can smell it. A Wild Willie fuel fragrance. Behind me is the fairing exchange. I've seen a traveling tall, him and his family using the fairing exchange. They put a matching color inner fairing. This is going to be the end of part one. Just want to remind you of this, that Jesus said the thief only comes to steal, to kill, and to destroy. He said, I've come that they might have life, and that they may have it more abundantly. I want to encourage you today to choose Jesus, choose life.